Hey seniors, today when you log into Xello in your mentor groups, you of course have to log in through PowerSchool. Make sure you use the URL and not the actual app on your iPad. This won't allow you to do the single sign-on, so if you go in through PowerSchool, you won't have to use your login information for directly Xello. So logging in, you're going to go to the very first lesson, which is called Career Backup Plans. And what this is doing is it's giving you an idea to think about things if your plan A does not work out. So let's say that you have an idea that you want to be a physical therapist, and when you start into the program, either A, you don't like all the things that the classes that you're going to have to take, or maybe you've done an internship, or maybe you've done a job shadow and then you realize like this is not at all what I want to do. Basically, you're just coming up with a plan B of, if this doesn't work out, I want to try this. So it's really just making your mind think a little bit, get a little bit deeper thought into the things that you might really want to do. And so therefore, you're not going to be nearly as stressed, because as we all know, the older you get, the more responsibilities that you have, and we want to take some stress off of you. So just really thinking about those things that are interesting to you. So after you do the lesson career backup plans, there's going to be an assignment sheet on the right-hand side. Now, it's not a huge assignment. It's just giving me some insight of what you found out or which questions that you might have. So at the end of the lesson, you're just going to simply click on that assignment, type in the box of the question that I'm asking, which is, what are some career choices that you've had? Maybe a plan A, B, and or maybe possibly C. Any questions that you may have for me, you can turn in there, put on that in that box as well. You turn it into me, and then I will be able to view those and kind of give an idea of where your brains are at this time. So once again, log into PowerSchool, sign into Xello, do the first lesson called Career Backup Plans, then just simply answer a question for me under the assignments, turn it in, and you are done. So if you have questions or questions about anything at all, make sure you holler at me through Edmodo, email me, stop by, whatever works for you. And I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you, and I'll talk to you later.